everyone, welcome back to Hook and Sword. Today I'm going to start continuing with my series of the basic stitches. So today we're going to learn how to make a magic ring. So you'll see this is the entrance of it, and then this is the first row. And it's basically crocheting in the rounds. And it's fairly simple if you do a slip stitch similar to what I do when I start my chains. So if that is what you are interested in, I'm going to turn the camera down and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Here is the end of the skein, and I am going to put that over my first two fingers just like I do for a slip stitch. I'm going to wrap it around my finger to form that X, put my thumb on it, and flip over my fingers. Now, as you can see, there are two strings on my finger. I'm going to take my hook, under, over, and pull. And instead of pulling all the way through, I'm going to wiggle out my fingers to keep that loop, and that will be my magic ring. Next, we are going to take the working yarn, and we are going to make a chain, just one chain. Okay, I'm going to tighten it up here, yarn over, pull through. Okay, so that is securing my magic ring, and I am able to crochet with it. I can untangle this right here to keep it clean. Alrighty. Now I'm going to go ahead and do single crochets in this magic ring, or it's also called a magic circle. Okay. So I'm going to crochet not only in that ring, but I'm also going to keep this end also in my stitches as well. They're going to kind of morph together when I'm crocheting. Okay, so insert my hook inside the circle. Alrighty, yarn over, pull through, two loops on my hook, and then a yarn over, pull through both loops, and that is a single crochet. Insert my hook into the loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops, and you're just going to keep going however many stitches you need in whatever pattern you are using. You're just going to keep going. You see how I'm keeping those two strings together? Pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Insert my hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Okay, so I went ahead and did a few off camera. Alrighty, as you can see, the V's, 6 and 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. Okay, so there are 7 stitches in my magic ring. Okay, so here is the end of that skein, and I'm going to hold on to that, and I'm going to pull. And see how that ring is getting smaller? That's the magic of it. You are making that circle as small as you can. Just kind of give it a tug, and that is it. And now we're going from magic ring to crocheting in the rounds. So let's go ahead and get this circle bigger. And what we're going to do is we're going to crochet twice in that next stitch, or the first single crochet you did during your magic ring. Okay, so this is a little hard because it's a little tight. You see how small that is next to my hook? Yeah. So you need to crochet twice in that same stitch. Okay, let's get this going. Okay, insert my hook in the stitch. Just kind of wiggle it in there. Okay, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Okay, hard part's done. Now insert that one more time, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Okay, now I went ahead and got a stitch marker, and I'm going to put that in the first single crochet I did to start this row. That way I know when I need to stop when I'm done with the first round. Alrighty, so 2 stitches in the next stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Same stitch, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Alright, now you're going to do a single crochet in the same stitch all the way around. And now what you should have, instead of 7 stitches, 14 stitches. You should have double the amount you had originally in the magic ring. So to finish this off, I'm going to hold on. Insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Now I have 14 stitches and I originally had 7. I kind of tighten up the magic ring after the first round because it sometimes gets a little wonky, but that's it right there. So that's it. That is how you make a magic ring plus the next row. And if you're interested in continuing in crocheting in the rounds, let me know in the comment section below. Or if you have another project you want to learn how to make, or just a topic, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. That way you know the next time I post a new video. Bye!